हेलो गाइस कैसे हो आप सब लोग. So I hope you are doing really well. So in this video what I'm going to talk about is that I'm going to give the review of CA Inter GST class of CA Inter GST class of Tharun Raj sir. So हम बात करने वाले we are going to talk about the review of the CA Inter GST Tharun Raj sir. So I'm going to talk more about the concepts, conceptual how he's teaching. So the concept was good, but it was more like mucking up the concepts because when I was going to his classes, so I was going the face-to-face classes. So it was good actually, but the interaction was not there properly for me because I was face to face. All other classes I was choose video lectures, but it for this GST class alone I choose face to face. I don't know because of my problem or the faculty's conceptual is not clear because the concepts were supply and exemptions, ITC. These chapters are like simply no, there is no logic sir is teaching, but here we can get into know about the way you can learn. For example, the mnemonics, like sir teaches us, and the way you can remember the concepts, the way you can remember, but no logic because of the lack of logic. It is very hard for us to remember. If you know the logic and we remember means it is different, but without knowing the logic, if we remember means it is a totally different kind of thing. So the concept it is good, but not entirely like super conceptually he's teaching. You can say concepts are there, and the remembering mnemonics that also good. The mnemonics and all. If the, for example, in reverse charge mechanism, one chapter is there, right? Charges. In that, sir gives one mnemonics of these for government renting like immobile property like this. Some components sir give only that comes under RCM. Other everything comes under FCM. So it is actually a good thing to know the mnemonics, but the logic why it's not there, why it is coming, it is comparatively less I feel because I went for face to face class. So I don't know whether it was my mistake. That's why if you want to know, please can see the sir's demo class. Exam oriented batch is actually it's a 40 hours class, so you can just visit that exam oriented batch and you can go. Actually it is also sufficient. Many people scored 40 plus by seeing that exam oriented batch itself. So that's what, so concepts okay we can say. Okay, I don't know, so I am not putting tick or cross mark. Doubt. So if in face-to-face class, actually sir rectifies the doubt. It's actually good one. So sir, if you actually sir uh, concepts and remembering the things are simultaneously right. If you can't remember that alone, you can ask the logic. Sir says the logic, but sir doesn't say for everything logic. For 50%, sir says logic. 50% sir says to remember the things. So in this doubts, sir actually clears the doubt as clearly. Mode. In this mode, you will get live lectures, face to face, and video lectures. This thing you can see is, when I was purchasing the video lectures costed 5,300, but sir now drastically reduced the prices. Actually now it is 2,000 I guess, 1.2 views 4 months. But when I was purchasing 6 months and 1.5 views, so now the class cost are literally reduced. Sir, views sir provides 1.5 views, but now reduced class provides 1.2 views. So validity is one for 1.5 views 6 months, for 1.2 views 4 months. And mock test, sir provides mock test for actually for me sir provided mock test, but evaluation was not there. For my next batch sir provided the mock test, they said. So I don't know whether sir provided mock test or not. You can see the reviews or ask, you can call the management and clarify it. Reliability. So if you are a bookworm, you can ask the doubts, sir. If you can't understand the concepts, then you can definitely go for it because sir clears the doubt. But I was not so, I think I was not so attentive. That's why I don't know. But actually, some of my friends also purchased the class, but he also said that he was not understanding. And so I feel that actually for me the faculty is not reliable. Maybe I didn't see the demo lectures, so that's right. So reliability it depends on you. Okay, fine. You can see the demo lectures or the exam oriented batch, and you can decide whether you can go for it or not. Books. Sir, books is sir provides concepts one resource book, that is a concept book, big book like ISM book, then revision purposes. Then sir gives a practice manual which contains questions of RTP, MTP, ISM, and other questions. But these the resource book and revise book are colored, but a resource book, I don't know whether it's colored or not, but a revise book is colored, and question bank is black and white when I purchase it, but don't know now how it is. You can just check the specimens sample copy and you can decide whether to purchase it or not. Okay, sir. So books, I have said you cost. Cost is about, when I was purchasing it was 5.3k. Now the cost is drastically reduced. It is 2k, but the validity differs. So in this, you can say that the validity is for 2k. The validity is views is 1.2, and validity comes for 4 months. 4 months. 4 months. Okay, wow. Yes. So this is about, for my review. I will say that you can see the demo lectures and go. And if you say I will recommend, means actually I won't just recommend it, because for me the classes was not working out. So for me the exams and my attempts, about 20, the mark was not going above, because I did all my hard work. I practiced every question, but still mark was going not going up. So actually I didn't actually after some time I actually discontinued the sir's resources, and then I used others resources so that I can clear the exams. So my review is you can choose other faculties as well. And if you are very much interested in sir's way of teaching, then you can definitely go for it, and just see the concepts are clearing for you or not. And don't just as it is go for the classes because your seniors have said, your friends have said. First, you decide whether by seeing demo lectures whether it is properly for you or not. Because there are many classes in market. There's the cost is not the thing, because if more cost, if high cost means good concepts, low cost means low cost means concepts are not good, not nothing like that. Because you see demo lectures and see the reviews, how is the faculty, then you purchase the classes. Cost is not a factor. Okay, it's not like if you put more many details, that's it.